Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my show where it's so easy, it's crazy, brother. Let's go. Good ass products for the day. Talk your tempura, brothers and sisters. Look at this. Bam! Look at all that. We got here some chili cheese dynamite coated in some crispy batter out here. We got here 80 pieces of tempura, brothers and sisters. We got here our flour mix. We got here our batter mix that we're gonna be using later on. We got here our tempura sauce, brother, and this sweet chili sauce, bro. I'm so excited, brothers and sisters. But we about to find out we can do something with this shrimp right here, brothers and sisters. Let's go. Links in the description if you want to get a home kit like this too. And yes sirree, this is all included in the home kit, bro. This is 40 pieces of this chili cheese, and we got 80 pieces of this tempura, brother. You got your flour mix, you got your batter mix, you got this tempura sauce, you got this sweet chili sauce, brother. It's all included in the pack. You just need to add oil and fry that motherfucker, and that's it. Let's get to it. Well, let's cook these motherfuckers right here. See if it tastes good or something like that. Look at that cheese be popping out, bro. Damn. Cheesy that, cheesy this, cheesy everything, brother. Hey. Because when the cheese be popping out, that means this motherfucker be done already, bro. This motherfucker's off the heat. Because these niggas done already, bro. These be popping, brother. Put that here. So we about to taste test this thing. Look at that cheese be pouring out of this dynamite chili cheese from Tempura, bro. We got here chili cheese sauce from them. Bam, look at that. Bro, this sauce is fire, man. With this one right here, it's an afternoon delight, brother. That thing was so good, bro. So good. We're gonna be adding 750 ml of water out here. So we're gonna get the wet batter mix, bro. Y'all niggas ain't got no wire wrist. I got here 2 entwined forks. We're gonna use that instead. Make sure they ain't got no clumps in here. And it floats. That means it's hot right, brother. Toss that in the flour, brother. Side to side. There you go. So we about to check this shrimp out. First, let me peel up this little ginger out here. I wish we do have some radish right now, but since it's quarantine, we can't really go out that much. I'm just gonna make use of what I have. Okay? There you go. Clean up. Boom. They got this sauce out here. I guess this is the tempura sauce that they have. Smells good, brother. Smells like some legit tempura sauce. Boom. This tempura sauce can be a good base for a lot of good dishes. Also, that other sauce out there, that sweet chili sauce is so good. I'm gonna use that in some other dishes too. Talking tempura, Thank you very much for this wonderful treat. I really do appreciate this. And this looks hella bomb, bro. So good. But we're not done yet, bro. On to the main event. Let's go. Quiet and safety to our nation. That being said, thank you for these people out here that gave me this good ass shirt. All we want right now is worldwide safety, brother. So y'all niggas just need to be safe and don't go out. Boom! Safe, brother. Let's go. Boom, we about to make our sauce for the thing that we gonna be making. It's gonna be an ebi burger, brother. And this is gonna be the dressing for that ebi burger, bro. We're just gonna add in mayonnaise out here to our bowl. Just a little bit. Damn, there we go. We're gonna be adding in the chili sauce that they got. Boom, there you go. That's how it should do. Make that pink sauce out here, brother. Good. Take that off, brother. Everything from this pack, because we're gonna be using everything, bro. Okay, and put it on the bowl, brother. You want whole cuts of that shrimp. Boom. That's about it. This pepper, little salt. You want that whole lumps of shrimp. Here, the shrimp patty that we're gonna be doing. So we about to coat this patty in some tempura dry batter mix or some dry breading. Coat that like that, like so. Boom. There you go. Right here. Slide it. Slide it out here. Like so. Oh shit. Ooh-wee. That shit's hot. Well, our shrimp be frying out there. You can put a little bit of wet batter out here on top. Yep. Yes, you can. There you go. Push down. Slide it in, up top. If this is done already, bam! Check that out, boy. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna slice this up. We're about to put this cabbage in this mix right here, brother. About to make myself a coleslaw using that sweet chili sauce from Tempura and this mayonnaise from the fridge. A tablespoon of this good stuff, brother. We're about to put it here. With this thing going on. Woo. Look at that. Let's put another one out here. Because it's so good, I can't resist to put another one on top. There you go. Just enough. Tempura type shit. Ebi burger. See that shit? We about to devour that motherfucker, man. Let's go. Thank you very much, Tempura, for letting me cook some of this good food for y'all niggas. You should have this on your menu, brother. Like for real. So good.